Stop right there. If you're tired of spending $20 every single day on mediocre coffee shop drinks that taste like disappointment, I'm about to show you something that will completely change your morning routine forever. But first, let me ask you this. How much money did you spend on coffee last month? Seriously, think about it. The average coffee drinker spends over $600 per year on coffee shop visits. That's over $7,000 in 10 years. $7,000! But here's what really makes my blood boil. You're not just losing money, you're losing time. 20 minutes in line every morning. 20 minutes of your precious life. Gone. And for what? A burnt-tasting latte that costs more than a full meal? And don't even get me started on those pod machines. Sure, they're convenient, but the coffee tastes like plastic water, and you're creating a mountain of waste that's destroying our planet. Plus, you're still spending $3 per cup when you factor in those expensive pods. Here's the brutal truth nobody talks about. Most people are trapped in this cycle because they think good coffee at home is either impossible or requires becoming a barista with thousands of dollars in equipment. They've been lied to. What if I told you there's a machine that makes coffee shop quality drinks at home, costs less than 50 cents per cup, and requires absolutely zero skill to operate? What if this machine could pay for itself in just 4 months while giving you back 20 minutes of your day every single day? The Philips 3200 series fully automatic espresso machine isn't just another coffee maker. It's a complete coffee revolution that's sitting on your counter. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why this machine has completely transformed the morning routine of over 2 million coffee lovers worldwide. Now, before we dive in, let me be crystal clear about something. This machine does not make hot chocolate. I know some people might be wondering about that, but this is purely a coffee machine. However, what it does make is the best coffee you'll ever taste at home, and that's what we're focusing on today. But if you want to get creative with your Philips 3200, we've included a special milk-based hot chocolate recipe in the description that works perfectly with this machine's amazing milk frother. You need to know the 3 critical mistakes that 90% of people make when choosing a home espresso machine. Stick around, because mistake number 3 will shock you. First, let's talk about variety. This machine doesn't just make one type of coffee, it makes 5 different coffee shop quality drinks with the touch of a button. Espresso that rivals your local cafe, rich, smooth coffee, perfect Americano, creamy cappuccino with foam so perfect it looks like art, and latte macchiato that tastes like it came from a $20 per hour barista. Each drink is perfectly calibrated. The machine remembers your preferences, strong or mild, large or small. It's like having a personal barista who never calls in sick. Now, here's where this machine separates itself from everything else on the market. The 100% ceramic grinder. Not steel, not plastic, pure ceramic. Why does this matter? Ceramic doesn't heat up during grinding, which means your coffee beans never get burned before they're even brewed. Steel grinders create friction heat that destroys the delicate flavor compounds in your coffee. That's why your current coffee tastes bitter and flat. This ceramic grinder preserves every single flavor note, giving you coffee that tastes exactly like it should. The intuitive touch display makes this machine foolproof. No complicated buttons, no confusing settings. Just touch what you want and walk away. The machine does everything else. It's so simple that my 70-year-old mother uses it every day and makes better coffee than most cafes. But here's the real magic, the aroma extract system. This isn't just marketing fluff. This is actual engineering that automatically adjusts the brewing temperature and extraction time for maximum flavor. Most home machines brew too hot or too cold, destroying the coffee's natural flavors. The Philips 3200 uses intelligent sensors to find the perfect temperature for each type of coffee. Espresso gets brewed at exactly 194 degrees, coffee at 196. Each temperature is scientifically calculated for maximum flavor extraction. It's like having a chemistry lab optimizing every single cup. Now, remember those 3 critical mistakes I mentioned? We're about to reveal mistake number 1, and it's probably the reason your current coffee setup is failing you. Cleaning system. Mistake number 1. People buy complex coffee machines that are impossible to clean. Traditional espresso machines have tubes, hidden compartments, and parts that grow mold in places you can't even see. Disgusting. The Philips 3200 has a revolutionary 2-part milk system. No tubes, no hidden parts. You can completely clean it in 15 seconds under your tap or throw it in the dishwasher. 15 seconds. That's faster than washing a coffee mug. This means your machine stays hygienic and your coffee always tastes fresh.
AquaClean filter. Mistake number 2, people ignore water quality. Your coffee is 98% water. If your water tastes bad, your coffee will taste bad, period. The AquaClean filter system doesn't just filter your water, it purifies it to the exact mineral content that creates perfect coffee extraction. But here's the incredible part. This filter lasts for 5,000 cups. 5,000 cups before you need to replace it. That's over 13 cups per day for an entire year. During this time, you'll never need to descale your machine. Never. Traditional machines need descaling every month, which is time-consuming, expensive, and uses harsh chemicals. The AquaClean system eliminates all of that while giving you water that's actually better than most bottled water. Now, mistake number 3. This is the big one. People wait too long to upgrade their coffee situation. While they're spending thousands per year on mediocre coffee shop drinks, smart people are investing in machines like this. Sarah from Texas wrote to tell us she saved over $800 in her first 6 months. Mike from California calculated that this machine paid for itself in 3 months. Jennifer from New York said, and I quote, "This machine makes better coffee than the premium cafe down the street from my office." Over 2 million people have already made this upgrade. Coffee shops are actually losing customers because people are realizing they can make better coffee at home for a fraction of the price. But here's what you need to know. Philips is currently offering their biggest discount of the year, but only for a limited time. This offer disappears at midnight tonight. After that, you'll pay full price and wait weeks for delivery. Don't let another day go by wasting money on inferior coffee. Click the link in the description right now to secure your Philips 3200 at the lowest price available anywhere. When you order today, you'll also get free shipping, a 30-day money-back guarantee, and a 2-year warranty. If this machine doesn't completely transform your coffee experience, send it back for a full refund. Click that link right now before this offer expires. And if this video helped you make the best coffee decision of your life, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Tomorrow, I'm revealing the 5 most overpriced coffee gadgets you should never buy. Trust me, number 3 will blow your mind.